for your trainers. All right, give it up for Keisha and Heather. Up next is Leanne and Kelly. Sean and Brandon. Let's give it up for Lee and Haven. And here we go. We've got the current CEO and the next CEO. Let's give it up for Amanda Tress and Lily.
Got it, queen, funny, honey, Millie.
Last week we wrapped up the FASTer Way Office Olympics. We have accomplished our goal. We are more unified, more energized, and more focused than ever before. The weekend before our Monday launch, I decided to go on a girls' trip with my two best friends. We had planned it out quite a bit in advance. We flew to the east coast of Florida.
All right, we are here enjoying our early bird with all the older ladies. We love it.
And right before we were ready to come back, this tropical storm hurricane Debbie the Downer, Debbie.
We are in the tornado!
This massive tropical storm that was threatening to become a Category 1 hurricane is creeping up on Tampa, canceling our flight back.
We're definitely the ones getting the wind. Holy cow.
I can extend my trip, sit in a hotel room, and not be in the office for the launch of our biggest product ever. Or I can hop in the car and start driving through a tropical storm with my two best friends in the back seat. I'm going with a road trip. Jesus, take the wheel.
Time to think about the past. I try to make time to get away from the phone. I gotta make a call to let 'em know.
Looking for yourself out there. Yeah, yes, yes.
Here we are, getting back to Tampa.
We made it, and I'm so glad. It's the morning of the launch, and the weather is still bad. I have team members without power. I have others who are flooded and can't even get to the office. This storm is way worse than we anticipated. But ready or not, here we go. We are launching this product. I get to the office through the flooding and the debris, and I'm meeting with my in-office staff who was able to make it in addition to calling in our virtual team members who are working from home. We are going live. Okay, we are live. Let's go. It's time.
And we are live.
We are live. My blood pressure is through the roof. My hands are shaking, but people are hitting the FASTer Way shop and they are buying our product. The waiting list text went out. We have over 2,000 people on the website live as we speak, which is great. Let me check our sales at the moment. Within 15 minutes, we've already sold several thousand units. My main goal is to have an awesome record sales day, but also not to completely sell out of the product.
Meet with me before you cap it. Or not before you cap it, before you turn it off.
Yes.
I think we're good. We have 856 people on the website right now. We're definitely still ticking up, but again, you know, we've committed to the entire coach community that we would not sell out of this product. So if we sell out of this product, I will flee the country. Once the storm passes through Tampa, I will be on a plane down to Costa Rica, okay?
I've never felt so much pressure. We've never prepared so much for a single launch at the FASTer Way. This is a huge, massive moment for us. but nothing can go wrong. We have to hit 0. We have one single chance to launch this product and to launch it well.
I'm gonna look at the updated dashboard. We had over 2,000 live visitors when we sent the waiting list text.
So I'm looking it up right now. We are only a couple hours in. We almost have hit our record sales number.
We have in the factory right now, that's not what it's called. The warehouse, I don't know. Yeah, okay, whatever. Moment in time, we have, Sydney, you said 13,551.
So far, we're about halfway to our overall goal for the entire month of August. Numbers are looking great. Happy Tuesday. We're going to do a quick stand-up meeting. If everyone can come over here, please. Quick stand-up meeting. Should I stand on here? How's everyone's Tuesday been so far? Woo! Awesome. Here, I'm gonna come down here. All right, as you guys know, I'm not gonna, is it okay if I don't? Okay. Yeah. So as you guys know, we had a very important launch yesterday of our new hydration electrolyte product. Yep. We have worked extremely hard on this launch. We did quite a bit extra this time. We sent samples to coaches and influencers. We did taste tests at different events. We had our biggest ever waiting list. So there was quite a bit of hype surrounding this particular launch. I am pleased to announce that we did have our all-time record launch in the history of FASTer Way. Yep. So a big props to Paul for all his hard work, to Katie for all her hard work. Now that being said, we do have a lot of this product to sell. All right, congrats to the whole team on an awesome launch. Thank you guys so much for all your hard work. We aligned the launch of this FASTer Way Hydration product with our live leg day in Nashville. It is going to be by far and away our biggest live leg day yet. It's going to be a much more complicated leg day than any that we've ever done in the past because of the volume of people, the location, and we have quite a bit to finalize before we can host these clients. It's time to get to Nashville.
For me, I'm dangerous, dangerous. I ain't playing, always coming in hard. Watch out for me, no, I don't quit, I don't quit. Grade A certified, I'm number one. Okay, I'm fabulous, I'm fresh to death. Watch out for me, playful vibes, I love the race.
I brought several of our top FASTer Way certified coaches to a brunch in Nashville.
Don't need a flex, they call me queen.
I want to consider the main pain points that our clients have. We want to think through how we can look around the corner and solve their problems. Jordan's going to be great because he's bringing his COO in addition to his science officer.
Jordan Rubin, who is our manufacturer, was the founder of Garden of Life Supplements. Now, as our manufacturer, he is probably the leading person in the space regarding ingredients and the science behind how to really solve problems with products in a comprehensive way. My team has worked extremely hard, and now I need support from our coaches as they help us get the word out about this awesome new product. Over 750 clients in Nashville registered to attend this event, and we're gonna have quite a bit of fanfare around the hydration product. We have hundreds and hundreds of units, thousands of units on site so that our clients can purchase and taste in Nashville.
I've been running this down and I started way down on the ground. They know that I'm flying here.
Clients clients and coaches see our pro trainers up on stage for leg day, but what people don't realize is that our entire team comes out and it's all hands on deck for setup the day before. No job is too big or too small. This is the bottom.
I thought that was your finger.
So this is kind of the flow we had to.
Yeah.
So there are 2 photo ops here, one here
Okay.
and one over there.
Yep. Okay, cool.
Oh, for your photo
Look how
op.
many people are working. Bam.
So this
Oh, this is cute. So that'll have like signage.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have vinyls.
I don't think we need the light boxes if we have those in that little round area. I think that's good. Was that your original plan?
Yes.
I think your original plan's good. Okay, thank you. We know not only are people coming from Nashville, but some clients and coaches are actually driving several hours, even flying in for this event.
I like one on each side.
So we want to be sure that it is worth their while and that they enjoy every aspect.
I like that.
You know, when I get nervous, which I am now, I just try to think about who I'm here for, who I'm serving. I just can't wait to see everybody. It definitely warms me up before a big leg day when I just have the opportunity to see clients and hug them and hear their story. That's what really kind of gets me loose and in the groove.
And I also have my soul.
Oh, no. I know, we have different salt for you now. Live leg days are awesome pop-up workouts in different cities all over the country where our clients from those areas have the opportunity to work out with us live, connect with other people from the community, and also give our trainers a hug.
All right, these are some of my clients. Can I get in with you? Yeah, that's
Our sister. I'm not proud of my sister.
Oh, that's so great. I love it. Honey, you are so cute. I am like dying. Stop it. Stop it. You guys are.
You can't get to Nashville without bringing the hats and the boots.
I'm canceling my plans. I want to go to brunch with you guys.
Oh, I can't lift my up high enough. This is so crazy.
Where are you from?
I am so emotional I can hardly talk. Birmingham, Alabama.
Okay.
I mean, this is so exciting. I'm a normal person, but this is so
Oh,
exciting.
well, you're sweet.
Thank you for all you do.
How far did you have to drive to get here?
Like 6.5 hours.
Oh my goodness. Where are you from originally?
Venezuela.
Oh,
I wanted to see for myself.
so
You guys
glad.
seem authentic.
Yes. And what you see on the screen is what you get in the leg day.
That's how you are, and I appreciate it.
Hearing your stories in person, it gives me life, and it's what keeps me going even on the hard days.
What? Amanda? You are
my life changer.
Yes.
And you guys uplifted me in a whole different way. So, and still to this day, like, this is why I feel great. I don't have, like...
Everything I've lost, I'll write on this paper. I'll stuff it in a bottle with all my hope. I say a prayer to the God who controls the tides of this life and throw it out to the waves. I'll put it in a bottle and throw it out to sea, to see. Maybe one day it will come back to me, to me.
In this moment, I just realized that the FASTer Way is so much bigger than Amanda Tress, even than our pro trainers or our coaches. The FASTer Way has become a massive movement.
12 pounds. I ended up having a cardiac arrest in my husband's arm in an emergency room. I can now say that I have a healthy relationship with food and I can treat my body the way Jesus wants me to.
I know I'm not easy to work for. I know I have extremely high expectations, but it's because I believe in what we're doing here with FASTer Way. And it's not me who is continuing to push this company forward. It is the team. Brandon is my right hand. He is such a massive support, and I wouldn't be where I am, and we wouldn't be able to do events like this without him. And Lily, I can't wait to see you leading this movement someday because I know you're gonna rock it.
I trust you'll bring it back my way.
When FASTer Way is $1 billion brand, the impact will be extreme. We've already made a ripple effect, but man, people need to hear about this program, and once they do, the world is gonna change for the better.
I'll put it in a bottle and throw it out to sea, Maybe one day it will come back to me,
Ruler, pharaoh, goddess, queen, bunny, honey, milli, bling, diamond, necklace, not a ring, mono, solo, Nino, king.
See me at the top, tip top, doing what I do, call shots.